Careful. Yep, that's what she.
It's so crunchy. Well, I think I'm gonna do it because I like to do. Wait.
You gotta remember, she's got her bare
I can
feet.
see her feet.
Yeah. Baby's got bare feet.
Look at the water.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Billy, what is girl doing? Come here. Come here. Oh. So it's so crunchy because it's ice. Look. Billy, come here. It's so pretty. Look. Billy. Look at guys. The top of the snow is ice. Come here. Come here. Look. Mommy is here. Look. Come here. Look. Oh, I'm on the top of the ice. Crunching. Billy, come here. She doesn't want. She doesn't want to. Oh my gosh, it's so nice over here. So pretty. Wait. Is your pee over there? Come on. You want to go, mommy? Here's my baby. Right here. Look. Looks so nice. You try to look at that, guys. It's ice on the tree. Look. Oh, you try to eat the ice? Huh? Yeah, you pee-pee. Go to this. Go to this. Look at that icicle. There is no icicle on the side of the house because she tried to hit. Baby, you wanna eat the ice? Look at you. Hmm? Look. Wait. Yeah. I don't have a picture when I'm sledding. You think you can drive over here?
I'll give it a shot.
So scary.
It's not catching.
I'm gonna see, guys. I'm on the top of the snow and the ice.
You're on top of ice-covered snow, is what it is, frozen.
Top
Yeah.
of ice covered snow. Say, watch me.
Yeah. It's so hard. Yeah, it just breaks off. Let's not. Hey, sweetie, let's not make a mess.
Where's Billy? Kata Billy. Look, I'm so tall.
Yeah, you're huge. You're giant.
Oh, wait.
don't think you have enough weight to do any good there. There you go. Oh, wee, that was fun. Uh-oh. Oh, we almost fell down there, too.
Ice, that's why. Look, both of us, like, thank you to this.
Yeah. Glad it's over with.
Oh, look at the light. It's so pretty, but, you know.
Yeah. All right, I'm ready to get in.
Okay, go.
I'm ready to get in, too.
Yeah. Ah,